Welcome. In front of me I have the REALME Watch 2, and today I will go over unboxing along with a quick look at it. I'm not actually gonna go through the setup of it just because it's Realme and I would need to download their stupid app, and I genuinely despise their app. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it at unboxing. So there we go. Let's eat that paper out of the way, and we have a little seal right here. There we go. Pop it open, whoop, drop it. It's basically all we get in the box right here. So we got a watch right here, and then we get, come on, there we go, some paperwork. Yep, only paperwork in here. Then we got a charger for it. What's up with these like stickers, Realme? Come on, just make a less adhesive sticker so I don't like literally rip the little foil apart. Like, it's not that difficult. Like, what is this? Like, anyway, and here we get the charger, a USB-A, and it looks like it's magnetic, so that's nice. Let's just see how that looks like. So, charging, really simple. Boom, charging. Obviously you need to plug it in. And then the watch itself. Don't be fooled by the display size. The size of the display is actually way smaller. You can kind of see it right now. And the reflection, if I grab something as a pointer, so the screen is basically this size right here. The black bars, the darker ones, are bezels. So yeah, let's turn it on. I am guessing this is an AMOLED display, which would make sense. Hello, need to turn on. Oh, there we go. There we go. So it's turning on right now. Now going into just the general feel of it. It kind of feels cheap. The strap right here. The rubber itself seems a little bit like cheapish, but it actually feels like it will withstand some decent time. It's not necessarily like the crappiest band I have seen on a watch. I've seen way worse ones. So this seems okay. It stretches a little bit, as you can see. We have the little writing right here, Dare to Leap. Interesting little choice of branding right here, considering this is semi-budget, or not semi, but budget. But yeah, basically it's turning on, and oh, there we go, finally turned on. So scan the QR code to, let's see, I'm gonna quickly check if it's actually gonna open something up or not. Last time I scanned Realme QR code, it gave me a non-existing website. Let's open it up. Weird that it doesn't actually take me to Google Store. Instead it takes me to the Realme website where I can, there we go, download it. So we have download APK from non-Play Store or Play Store. Realme Store. You kidding me? Okay, there we go. So we have Realme link. Not really what I want, I think. So I assume I need the Realme link. This is the voice of disappointment. I literally just did an unboxing of this little garbage, right? Realme 360 cam, and also it uses the Realme link. And my problem with it is the fact that I need to create an account, and as a logical individual, I want to use temp mail. And in the setup, you only get, or setup, in the login page, you can also register, though basically it says sign in. Doesn't really give you an option to register, so I assume it's the same process. You can use email or phone number. And once you provide email as an example, which is what I was doing, it proceeds to the next page, which is verification code. I get the verification code. I put it in and it bumps me up with an error that I need to provide my date of birth, where there is no field anywhere to actually do so. That's my problem. So yeah. Because it connects to the REALME link, which I'm kind of frustrated with, and personally I don't really like applications that really require you to create an account just to use your product that you already purchased. This is a hard pass for me. I genuinely despise it if I can't actually use the app just by downloading it. Why would I need to log into it as well? You can track it on my phone, keep the data. As long as it's local, I don't care. You don't need to send yourself any additional data apart from whatever you like sending me as an actual package, which is the watch. So yeah, I genuinely don't like it. Though I will mention I am using an Oppo watch right here, which does also, I believe, require me to log into probably the Google account, which might come out a little bit hypocritical because of that, considering I think I cannot use it without it, but I actually haven't checked it because I'm already logged into Google. So all I need to do is just agree to, use the same Google account. So yeah. But when it comes into additional ones like this fitness band, basically, to use this band, I need to sign into their account. I need to basically connect to it and do all that additional stuff. Well, everything that you need from the band is already on the band, making the actual connection to your phone, apart from like getting data and notifications, kind of useless. Could be done also without it and as an optional thing, but obviously give us your data. So yeah. Anyway, obviously I'm not going through the setup like I mentioned before, and this watch is just it's a typical another budget watch catering to gathering, connecting and basically bringing people to your ecosystem with your single app. It's nothing special. It doesn't break any kind of new grounds here. If you prefer something smaller, you can go with Xiaomi fitness band, which objectively, in my opinion, will be better than this, most likely. The build quality and just the general quality of it is better than this. So yeah, that's kind of my general consensus here. And if you found this video helpful anyway, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.